In this video, I'm going to show you how to comment anonymously on a Facebook group in 2024. But before we start this video, I would like to tell you that actually commenting, so commenting to somebody else's post inside a group, isn't possible. What is possible is to comment or post inside the group, which is technically still a comment because groups are just a bunch of comments on top of each other's, and that can be anonymous. But you cannot comment anonymously to a post that somebody already posted inside a group, if that makes sense. So in case you would like to make an anonymous comment or an anonymous post in Facebook group, what you want to do is first open up Facebook and click on your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Now, once you've done this, you want to go to groups, which should be at the top left. And then in here, you want to select the group of choice you would like to post or essentially comment anonymously in. Then you want to click write something, and yes, as I said, this will create a new post and it will not comment on somebody else's post because, again, that's not possible. You simply can only post something anonymously and essentially comment something inside this group. But you can use a little trick and then say maybe referring to the post and then maybe copying the picture of the post, and you can add your own opinion and make that anonymous, which will essentially be a response and a comment to another post. So write something in there, and then at the very top of this page, you will see this button that you can toggle, and it says post anonymously. Simply toggle this and your post will be anonymous after you posted it. So as I just said, if you want to, let's say, reply to somebody with a comment anonymously, you can just screenshot their comment, paste it into here where you can create a new post, and then type your own opinion, type an answer to it, and then click post anonymously, and they will not know who answered their comment, they just will see your comment as anonymous. So that's a nifty little trick you can use, and anything other than that, sadly, is not possible yet. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.